Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 73 Bronco. Runs good. Heater fan works. Horn probably doesn't the way that looks. Blinker to the left works. Blinker to the right works. I'm guessing gas gauge doesn't work. I'm guessing the oil pressure doesn't work. And who cares about that aftermarket radio? It probably might work, might not work. We will turn the lights on. Let's see if the wipers work. Yeah, they work. We've got the lights on. See, they've got a carb kit on it. Got power steering. Runs smooth as can be. Appears to be the original 302 with the sticker on the bell cover. We got lights working. And it's all plenty roadworthy with the lights and wiper and the heater fan working, so just a couple little extra accessories that don't. Horn. Like I said, sounds really good, so we'll give you a video of driving it. Any questions? 605-695-7391.